In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to the Friends menu in your favorite game. Whether you're looking to connect with others or expand your circle, knowing how to access this feature is a fundamental part of your gaming experience. First things first, let's ensure we're on the game's main screen. This is your starting point, where the adventure begins and where you'll find various icons and menus that allow you to manage your gameplay. Now keep an eye out for a specific icon that leads to the Friends menu. Typically, you'll find it in the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon is often designed to resemble two people standing together, or sometimes it might be labeled directly as Friends and Family. These visual cues are there to help you identify the right button at a glance. The icon is generally placed prominently so that you can easily access your social options without any hassle. Tap on this icon and you'll unlock a gateway to your Friends and Family hub. This area is your one-stop shop for everything related to adding friends and managing your social connections within the game. Within this hub, you'll find options for both accepting new friends who might be reaching out to you and initiating friend requests to others. You might also see a list of current friends you can interact with, including sending messages or inviting them to join you in a game session. This hub is designed to be intuitive, providing you with various ways to strengthen your gaming community. Make sure to take some time to explore the different functions it offers. Understanding how to utilize these features can enhance your gaming experience, making it more engaging and interactive. To ensure you have a seamless experience, always check for updates in the game, as developers frequently enhance social features to enrich user experience. Staying up to date means you won't miss any new functionality that might come with the game's updates. Also, remember to manage your friend requests regularly. This prevents any clutter and allows you to maintain a list that accurately reflects your current gaming connections. In summary, accessing the Friends menu is a straightforward process once you know what to look for. By tapping the correct icon on the main screen, you can manage and grow your circle of friends, facilitating a fun and connected gaming journey. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, the next time you dive into your game, you'll be ready to navigate your way through the social element effortlessly.